Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to share with you all how to cook a bagara rice. This goes really well with mutton curry and it is also very easy and quick. For bagara rice, we need to wash the rice and add sufficient water to it. And then take a pan, add oil, add some cumin seeds, and add biryani masala like cloves, cardamoms, bay leaf, and whatever is available, but these are must. Then let it cook until it releases aromas. After it is cooked, add these into the rice and mix it really well. Now add coriander and mint leaves and then add salt sufficiently. Then the garam masala. This is the most important ingredient in the bagara, guys, so don't miss it. Now add fried onions. This step is completely optional. So even if you don't have fried onions, it's fine. Now mix it well and on the electronic rice cooker. There you go. The yummy bagara rice is ready. Bagara rice tastes delicious with mutton curry. If you want to know how to make mutton curry very easily, then the link is on the screen. That's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If yes, please do try it at home and tell me how it tastes in the comment section below. Bye bye, I'll be back with more videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram.